Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have a dash cam showdown between two top contenders in the market. On the left, we have the Ovidisa dash camera, and on the right, the VMent dash cam front 2.5K. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. Let's start with one of the most important features of a dash cam: video quality. The Ovidisa dash camera boasts an impressive 8K front and rear resolution. Yes, you heard that right, 8K. It's like having a Hollywood film crew in your car. On the other hand, the VMent dash cam front 2.5K offers a sharp 2.5 resolution with a Starvis sensor. It may not have the same resolution as its competitor, but it still captures crystal clear footage. Now let's shed some light on night vision capabilities. The Ovidisa dash camera comes equipped with super night vision technology thanks to its 6 glass lenses and f1.8 aperture. It's like having night vision goggles for your car. Meanwhile, the VMent dash cam front 2.5K utilizes an ultra-large f1.6 aperture and WDR technology to balance exposure in extreme dark scenarios. So you can rest assured that both cameras will capture clear and sharp footage, even in the darkest of nights. Moving on to connectivity, both cameras offer smartphone integration. The Ovidisa dash camera comes with a dedicated app for iOS and Android, allowing you to live stream, download videos, and change settings with ease. Plus, it has built-in GPS, so you can track your driving route on Google Maps. On the other hand, the VMent dash cam front 2.5K also offers app control, allowing you to view and manage recordings on your smartphone. Just be aware that using wireless CarPlay or Android Auto may affect the app's connectivity. Now let's talk about parking mode. The Ovidisa dash camera requires a separate hardware kit to activate 24-hour parking recording. Once installed, it can be triggered by impact or collision, ensuring your vehicle is protected from theft or vandalism. On the other side, the VMent dash cam front 2.5K also offers a parking monitor, but it requires a hardwire kit to activate. So make sure to grab that kit if you want to keep an eye on your car even when you're not around. Storage is always a concern when it comes to dash cams. The Ovidisa dash camera comes with a free 32GB micro SD memory card, which supports up to 128GB. When the storage limit is reached, it automatically overwrites the oldest recordings. However, triggered by the G sensor, it can lock important footage to prevent overwriting. On the other hand, the VMent dash cam front 2.5K doesn't include a memory card, so make sure to grab one separately. Just like its competitor, it also features loop recording and a G sensor to protect your valuable footage. Both cameras have their unique features and advantages, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences. And there you have it, folks. The Ovidisa dash camera and the VMent dash cam front 2.5K, battling it out for the title of the best dash cam. Remember, always do your research before making a purchase to ensure you're getting the best bang for your buck. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll catch you in the next video.